I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 4-leaf clover. A 4-leaf clover is a universal symbol of good luck and good fortune, and what a better way to send a whimsical little gift to someone that you love than to pop one of these into a card or a letter. And with the approaching St. Patrick's Day holiday coming up, it's also a great item that you could add to any party decorations. You could add it to an embellishment on a bag. You could make garland out of it. There's all sorts of ways that you can use a 4-leaf clover. I'm going to show you step by step how simple and easy it is to make this adorable little project. Let's get started. You can use any size yarn and crochet hook to make these 4-leaf clovers. For this smaller clover, I did Be So Fine yarn in colorway Jaded Peacock and an F5 or 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. And in these larger clovers, I used Be So Brave yarn, which is worsted weight. This is colorway Everglades. This is colorway Lincoln Lime, and I used an H8 or 5 millimeter crochet hook. For the demo today, I'm going to show it to you on Be So Brave yarn in colorway Lincoln Lime and an H8 or 5 millimeter crochet hook. Please follow the link to download the written instructions as well as the crochet chart. You want to tie your yarn to your crochet hook with either a slip knot or a square knot, whichever you prefer. And also you can use any size yarn or needle for making this. If you went really big, you could make a coaster. If you went really small, you could even make earrings. We're going to start with a chain 7. And slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Chain 3. And we're going to work a treble crochet into the ring. A treble crochet is yarn over 2 times, insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a treble crochet. We're going to do that 2 more times in the ring. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the same chain 7 ring. So we did a chain 3, 3 treble crochets, chain 3 and slip stitch. You want to repeat that 3 more times for a total of 4 petals. You can slide your stitches around the ring as needed to make room. Okay, we have our 4 petals done. I'm going to slide this over, make a tiny bit more room because now it's time to make the stem. We're going to chain 9. And slip stitch into the second chain from our hook. We don't count the loop on our hook, that's our working loop. So we're going to count back 1, 2, and slip stitch into that second chain. Then slip stitch in each of the remaining chains. Then slip stitch into the ring and fasten off. Now pull that tail through the center of the ring and secure it with the original tail. Now, if you're going to use this as any type of embellishment, you could use these tails for sewing. If you were going to sew it to a bag, sew it to a jacket, or sew it to a pin to make it a brooch, you could use those for sewing in. And here is our finished Lucky Good Fortune 4-leaf clover. I hope you enjoyed this super simple tutorial on making 4-leaf clovers. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you next time.